Hello there. As you may have seen, now have access to the new O1 model, the powerful model by OpenAI that has super logic and reasoning abilities. I've just quickly thrown together a new tool, Standard Operating Procedure Generator, or SOP generator. So it generates super detailed instructions on how to complete any task, which it's pretty good at. So I'm just going to put in here Warren Buffett style value investing. It'll put together a list of about 20 to 30 steps. And then in a second pass, it's going to go through that again, write even more information on each of the steps. So it's super, super detailed as a large kind of output. This tool's published on the website, Standard Operating Procedures, SOP Generator O1 powered. A bit of a mouthful, the name. So it does that. And then by the time it's finished, it does the initial steps. That's step one. Then does like the super simple steps on what to do next. And you can see it's pretty comprehensive. So made like 200 steps long. Whatever task you need to do, you can kind of get this really detailed plan on how to do it. In this case, it's invest like Warren Buffett. So hopefully as successfully as him. But any work task that you have, kind of get a detailed checklist like this. And if you weren't sure on how to do one of these, you could always ask ChatGPT on how to do that as well. Or you can download this as well. It's a bit of a rough and ready version in terms of formatting. And of course, if you're interested in making your own tools, you can do that with the tool maker, and you'll have access to the O1 model. We get limited about 10 requests per minute at the moment, but that can do pretty long output. So it's pretty decent still. With the tool maker, if you haven't made tools before, it's just a block-based builder. Where you start off with a blank page, just add a block. So our first block is a question block, question for the user. And then once we do the second block, we can use, I've used a different one there, but we can use like at block 1 to pull in the content from other blocks, which is what you have to do. So that pulls in the answer from block 1 into the next block, and you use the different types of blocks. The main ones are the user question block and the prompt blocks. User questions, obviously ask the user a question. And the prompt block is to talking to the AI, and you just choose O1 Mini, which is the one we have access to at the moment. If that's the model you want to use, you don't have to use that for every step. If you're making a multi-step tools are better. Otherwise, really, it's just a prompt you filled in. Whereas if you break the task down to multiple steps, you kind of provide a lot of value to the user. If you've got the super intelligence of O1 plus the breaking the task down to the different steps, plus the kind of adding knowledge and instructions as you need to into the prompt. So between those three things, you should be able to make some pretty powerful tools that can do a lot for people, do their work for them, or help them with specific tasks. And we've got lots of other types of blocks as well, which we've used to format this list and give it bullet points and things like that. we also have a new tool maker. So yeah, we have lots of other types of blocks as well. So use a question and prompt, and then process into stuff you'd normally need code for, output stuff to Zapier, HTML block, so on and so on. But yeah, you get the idea. If you're interested in that, then that's option 2. You'd be making cool tools, the O1 model, before a lot of other people get the chance or get to market with it. And you can use the tools yourself, or you can publish them on the website, and you can sell them on the website as well. And you get, as you see there, 20 credits or whatever. And you get paid if people buy them. So yeah, hope you found that interesting.